Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and blowers here. So as you guys know, I got this Scott's 15 horsepower Kohler COMMAND riding mower for free. This is on the side of a barn. Anyway, it didn't take much for me to get it going. Power washed everything. It looks really nice. As you know, I had a little bit of a carburetor leak. The original carburetor on here has either a bad gasket and a bad needle, and well, a gasket and needle costs like $8, but for 15 you can get a brand new carburetor. These are one of those Chinese copies. Just came today. Took a while, but you can say all you want about Chinese copies, but look at this carb. $15. Why spend $8 to get a needle and gasket when you could spend $15 and get a whole new carburetor? Honestly, it's really good quality. How can you go wrong? Also came with gaskets. So, I'm going to quickly replace it. Remove the air cleaner. Remove the 2 screws. Take off that. And here you go, right there. So easy. Take off the clamp. Clamp off the fuel. Remove the linkages. Remove the carb. See the spacer over here? You're going to need that. We're going to put this little spacer on that. Just that easy. Replace the fuel line, put the clamp back on, put the air cleaner base back on, and that's it. Fuel line's now reconnected. Linkage is reconnected. And I use one of these new gaskets. That's all there is to it, man. Put the screws back on. Reattach this hose for the breather. Tighten the bolts. Replace the air filter. So far so good, no leaks. Taking the clamp off so fuel is freely flowing. Replace the air cleaner cover, and she should be good to go. I'm going to fill it up with gas and give it a try. Never had a good gas can. Always spill. These Kohler COMMAND 15s are awesome. I've never had a blown one ever. The 3 that I've had all run fantastic. Easy to work on too. I'm going to finally put this cover on now. And now it is complete. Huh, well, it doesn't have a mower deck. That's how you replace a Kohler COMMAND 15 carburetor for $15 in 5 minutes. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.